The colors look really nice on this newsletter. Going to zoom in so I can show you a couple of things. Here, you've got some white space that needed to be used in here. You could either put another element in there, such as an auto shape to show something, maybe a history timeline, or you could put another image in there. Or, let's look at the size of your text. It's 9.8. This needs to be bigger. So select your text and let's go up to size 11 is not too big. As long as it's not, it is too big for that space though. So 10.5. That's a little bit better. Now you can do even different increments like 10.9. 10.8 is about right, and it fills up the space. Just be sure there's no text that's not been placed. Now here, this is to highlight special points of interest. You can take out some information they might find in your articles. This one could be history of infographics that you could put there, special points of interest. This is good inside this issue. This is also good, although we normally spell out the date. Nice titles for both the article and the title for the newsletter. Okay, if you look on the 2-page spread, again, there's some empty space here that needs to be used. This text looks like the line spacing could be a little further apart, makes it more readable. So click on paragraph. The line spacing is 1.07. Go up one, let's see how that looks. That helps with the white space, but you still could put an image or a shape with some information on it here. And again, you may want to highlight something from this article to put on that first page over here in the special points of interest. That should not be blank. This also has too little. And again, those that text is 9.8. That text can be larger. If you make the text larger, it's going to fit better in there so that you don't have so much white space. You want to be careful throwing images up without any explanation of them. This is obviously an example of an infographic, but you need something that says that. Maybe move it over some and put an auto shape or something that explains what that image is. And you want to always be sure that the image has something to do with the text. Now this is 9.8. Again, also a little bit you could move the line spacing to help. So in order for it to fit better in the white space and not have so much white space, it's a good idea to either, and maybe both, adjust the size of the font a little bit and also the spacing between the lines a little bit.